Okay, so we're going to do another quick example of greatest common factor using prime factorization. So just like before, we do our factor trees. We break each composite number into a product of two other factors. If they're prime numbers, we circle them. If they're composite, then we would break it down into two more factors. We did the 9 and 10 already in one of the other videos. Okay, so 75 is equal to 3 times 5 times 5, and 90 is equal to 2 times 3 times 5 times 3 times 5. Common prime factors are a 3 and a 5. And it is one factor from each pair being multiplied together. An error that some people were making on the quiz is they were looking at this being the largest pair of prime factors and saying, oh, 5 is the greatest common factor. Let's not confuse that with listing. When we get a pair, we take one from each pair, we multiply them together, and 15 is our greatest common factor. If I was listing them, here are my factors of 75 and 90. Some people are confusing that with, this is where you look for the common factors and you choose the one that's largest. And I missed one. I missed a pair. See, it happens. 18. So, but the greatest common factor would be the 15. So that's where we take the largest one. When we do the prime factorization for greatest common factor, again, you take one from each pair and you multiply them together, and that gets you the greatest common factor.